Are you looking to build serious stamina without going to the gym or using any equipment? You're in the right place. Today, I'll share some of the best bodyweight exercises that improve endurance, boost energy levels, and help you stay active for longer in daily life. Let's start with jumping jacks. This classic move gets your heart rate up fast and improves cardiovascular endurance. Do them for 30 to 60 seconds at a steady pace, rest briefly, and repeat. Next is high knees. This exercise challenges your lungs and legs at the same time. Keep your chest up, drive your knees high, and pump your arms. It's excellent for stamina and fat burning. Another powerful exercise is bodyweight squats. Squats build lower body endurance and strengthen your core. Focus on controlled movement and breathing. The stronger your legs, the better your overall stamina. Now let's talk about mountain climbers. This full-body exercise pushes your endurance to the next level. Keep your core tight and move your legs quickly while maintaining good form. Finally, don't underestimate plank holds. Planks improve core strength and mental endurance. Start with 30 seconds and gradually increase your time as your stamina improves. For best results, combine these exercises into a simple circuit and perform it 3 to 4 times a week. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Start slow, stay focused, and you'll notice real improvement over time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. Drop a comment below and tell me which exercise challenges you the most. Thanks for watching, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.